everybody to my channel. It's just Jen. Today I'm coming at you with a video on what's in my travel beauty bag. So I have this new beauty bag that I got for Christmas. I will try to find out where it's from, link it in the description if I can. But basically it looks like this, and then it turns into like a whole bag. So basically you put your stuff in. It fits a bunch of stuff and it saves room. So I'm gonna try it out for this trip, but I'm leaving for Vegas on Monday. It's now Saturday evening, so I'm just getting everything packed up, everything ready to go and show you guys. And then also I did my nails, and I filmed a little bit of that, so you'll be able to see that as well. I think I'm ready to get into it, so I'm going to cut out this clip and we'll see you in a second. This is how the bag folds up. It's super small and compact. I love it. I think this is like one of the best gifts ever. So it basically just opens up like that, and then you put your stuff in, and then these strings here, they cinch up and just make it super small. I'm gonna start by putting my foundation in. This is a glass bottle, so I'm just gonna put it in a little baggie. I haven't used this bag before, so I don't know how much of my stuff I'm actually gonna be able to fit in. It's just a more-free use for my foundation. So I brought that brand new, and I'm just gonna keep this box because I just don't want like my foundation to get all over the bag. So once it's used, at the end of my trip, I can just put it back in there and it will stay clean. So next I have my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. So it is a powder, which is not my first choice. I would probably choose a loose powder if you were gonna bring something. I just don't have one that I really like. So what I'm gonna do instead is little zippers here. Just closed it. Just gonna put it in there, zip it up, it fits perfectly. So this is just gonna stop it from clashing onto each other and breaking. I have my concealer, of course. Always need concealer. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I really like this as just a primer for my nose area. Then I have the Cover FX. This is a translucent powder, and it is loose. I can go in there. It's nice and small too. I got the small version because I knew I was going on vacation. Then I have my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. That's my ride or die right there. Then I also have a Becca highlighter. This is Champagne Pop. Actually, I'll probably put that and this one. So this is the NARS. I really like this shade. It's very nice. So I'm just gonna put these two in the other pocket. There's two. And that again will just keep it from breaking and shattering. And then I have two lash glues. So this one is dark, and I also have a clear one. And then I also have my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So just a black Pro Longwear liner. This is just a pencil liner. Then I have two liquid liners. This is what I like to use for when I'm doing a wing. They're also very small, so they're nice for traveling with. This is the Maybelline New York Line Stiletto. And let me tell you, like in general, it's a really nice, easy to use liner. I've been using this probably since like grade 8 or 9. Like I've just been repurchasing the whole time. I have some lip colors in here. So I have ColourPop. They have very, very nice consistency in their liquid liners, or liquid lipsticks. And they're very, very cheap. Like I think these were each $6. So Dopey is my favorite color. You'll see me wearing it all the time. And then this one is Kapow. So it's basically like a darker brown nude. Then I have two of the Kat Von D. This one is Exorcism. So it's just a very deep red purple. And then this one is Lolita too, or Lolita? Oh, it's Lolita. It's beautiful though. This is again, if I'm wearing a shade, it's either Dilby or Lolita. I'm also gonna throw in my Urban Decay D-Slick. This is a mini version as well. Super good for travel. I have a clip. So if I want to do my hair, I have 4 different kinds of lashes because I just need a bunch of lashes. These are all Morphe lashes. I really like them actually. They're super cheap. They were like $3.90 each. I have some brushes and I brought some scissors. So I'm gonna put that in one of these. I'm gonna take my brushes and I'm just going to take an elastic and just tie them together. Just so that way they're nice and confined. So that's everything that I'm putting in this bag. Let's see if it fits. I hope it does. Wish me luck. This is so cool. Wow. Oh my goodness. So cool. Take all these strings and just tuck them in. And there. Look at that. Yeah, that is like pretty much all that I need. Obviously I have a couple palettes that I'm bringing. I'll show that to you right now. It's my contour palette that I love. Obviously you can tell it's well used. That I use to contour my face. So that'll be coming with. Next I have the Morphe 35N palette. This is a really nice combination of just matte colors. It's got a little bit of everything. And then this is my absolute favorite. I'm so sorry, it's such a mess. I purchased her palette a long time ago and I just think that this palette in general, like I have her Vault collection as well, but this palette is just everything that I think I would need for a Vegas look. So there's some nice shimmers, there's some mattes, there's some bright pops of colors, so it'll be fun. I'm really excited to use that. Dry shampoo, I have Vaseline for my lips. Next I have the Garnier Skin Active Makeup Remover Micellar Water White. It's just so much better than bringing like an oil-based makeup remover. Then I have my hairbrush. This is pretty small and compact. And I have some bobby pins. That's what I'm bringing. Welcome back guys, it is the next day. I bought a new like toiletries bag. I went to Marshalls last night and I wanted to show you what's in it. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty cute. So on this side I have all my hair products, my heat protectant, dry shampoo, shampoo and conditioner, and then I have a oil for hydration. And then over here I have all my skincare, sunblock, vitamin C serum, VitaSoothe. This is hydrating. Some little packets that I got of retinol so that I use at night. I have my cleanser. And then I have, this is an exfoliant. And then over here, this little packet here, I have just some elastics. I have my toothbrush in here and then little face masks. And then I also have, what else? Oh, I have Vaseline in there. I went to Marshalls yesterday just to pick up a few like last minute things. And I found this. It's called Skin Goo Australia. All you do is you remove this plastic seal and then you put whatever product you want to mask on your face. It turns it into a sheet mask. So I thought that was really cool because sometimes I want to do a sheet mask, I want some extra hydration, but I don't want to use something that might break me out, especially with like being on vacation. I'm going to use some of the products that I already use at home that don't break me out that I know will work. It was $8 for this big packet thing. If you guys enjoy this channel, please subscribe, like, comment down below. thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful week. Bye guys.